And so at this time, I just want us to become comfortable in our chairs. Close your eyes. You can place your feet in lotus posture in the chair, on the ground, however you wish. Hands in an upward position to receive the presence, the grace all around you. And so let's begin this sacred healing moment of sitting in that Christed mind of ours. And let's just take a deep breath in. And let that breath out to Mother Earth to receive all of our worries and stress. Beautiful. Again, deep breath in. Let that breath out. She receives, she neutralizes, balances. Last breath in. Beautiful. Let that breath out. Beautiful big breath out to Mother Earth. She receives. And in that state of holiness, in that state of presence, know that the spirit world of life is drawn close, is ever present. We have raised our spiritual vibration by literally changing our mind. We resonate at a higher frequency. We are shifting into an alignment that is closer, more whole with the spirit world of life all around us. It makes it easier for communication. It makes it easier for transmission of energies that heal, that guide, that inspire. That's all it takes, just the breath. Focusing the mind in quietness. And during this healing segment, I just want us to begin to just imagine in the auric field around you this beautiful golden Kelly green light. Beautiful light emanating from the heart chakra. You can throw in some gorgeous pink if you wish. And just allow that energy with every breath. It gets bigger and stronger, brighter, more resonant, more higher vibrational. Maybe you see it glistening, or you see just the colors glittering if you wish. Just brilliant colors all around you. In that auric field, moving, swirling. Everything they brush over and brush against and move through, they're bringing it into a state of higher alignment. Every breath in, stronger. Every breath out, maintaining what you brought in. Every breath in, stronger. Every breath out, maintaining what you brought in. Begin to imagine beautiful, golden, glittering light filling the auric space with every breath in, growing stronger and brighter. Every breath out, maintaining. Filling the auric field from head to toe, around your chair, around your seat. Every breath in, begin to expand to the people next to you on the left and the right of you. Your brothers and sisters, your place of safe harbor. Every breath in, expand further, out into the edges of this beautiful sacred space, this spiritual house. You're doing a beautiful job. I can feel the energy filling up the space, completely full. The corners, in the corners stand archangels, beautiful beings of white light, holding the presence of truth, of God's love, of the work that we do, maintaining it in the earth, in the building, in the structure, the vibration of who we are as a church. Every breath in, we see the white light of God's presence around this building, beaming outward, infinite number of rays of light. We have created in this moment the presence of God on earth through our very actions, our virtuous actions, spiritualized behaviors. Every breath in, that light grows stronger, brighter, beaming out into the state, beaming out into this country, beaming out into this world. Every breath in, the atmosphere of earth becomes brighter and whiter. Until the earth is completely, divinely white. High vibration. All because of our effort this morning. It's how little effort it takes to bless the world, to bless the people on her body. And let's stand in gratitude by sending out a pulse of gratitude, beautiful next breath in, just send it out. On the wave of love. Gratitude for the breath you drew today. For the light that you are on earth. For the powerful person you are becoming every day. Through your choices, your thoughts, your words, your actions. It all comes down to you and your choices. Am I a blessing or am I a burden to this world? In every breath, we just send waves of love out into the universe. All the beings, the humanoid beings and the creature beings and the plant beings, whatever they are, however life expresses in the universe or in the other dimensions, we bless them with our presence. They know we exist today. You're all expressions of God. Just as I am an expression of God, just as you are an expression of God in human form. Knowing this truth, we begin to hold, maintain this energy, this light, this truth. As we bring our awareness back towards the earth, back towards this temple of truth, back towards our body temples, our little body boats, sitting in the ocean of God's love. And as we do every Sunday, we just take a breath in, holding that truth, let that breath out, grounding ourselves back to these body temples. Beautiful. Maintaining the presence of the archangels in this room that hold and inspire and heal and guide us, inspire us, bless us. We thank them for the presence. So we just begin to move our fingers, our toes, coming back to awareness and opening our beautiful eyes.